Metabolism plays a vital role in our overall health and well-being. A slow metabolism can lead to weight gain, fatigue, and other health issues. This guide will explore the best ways to fix a slow metabolism, providing detailed insights and actionable steps. By the end of this article, you'll have a thorough understanding of how to boost your metabolism and improve your overall health. Understanding metabolism. Metabolism is the process by which your body converts what you eat and drink into energy. Even at rest, your body needs energy for functions such as breathing, circulating blood, and repairing cells. The number of calories your body uses to carry out these basic functions is known as your basal metabolic rate, BMR. Factors affecting metabolism. Several factors influence your metabolic rate. 1. Age. Metabolism naturally slows with age. 2. Muscle mass. More muscle means a higher BMR. 3. Body size. Larger bodies have higher metabolic rates. 4. Gender. Men typically have faster metabolisms due to higher muscle mass. 5. Genetics. Your genes can affect your metabolic rate. 6. Hormones. Thyroid hormones play a significant role in regulating metabolism. 7. Physical activity. More active people have higher metabolic rates. Signs of a slow metabolism. Recognizing the signs of a slow metabolism is the first step towards fixing it. Common signs include weight gain or difficulty losing weight, fatigue and lack of energy, dry skin and brittle nails, hair loss, constantly feeling cold, depression and mood swings, constipation. Best ways to fix a slow metabolism. 1. Increase physical activity. Regular physical activity is one of the most effective ways to boost your metabolism. Incorporate a mix of cardiovascular exercises, strength training, and high-intensity interval training, HIIT, to maximize the benefits. Action. Start by incorporating at least 30 minutes of moderate exercise into your daily routine. Try activities like brisk walking, cycling, or swimming. Gradually increase the intensity and duration of your workouts. 2. Build muscle mass. Muscle burns more calories than fat, even at rest. Strength training exercises help build muscle mass, which can increase your BMR. Action. Include strength training exercises such as weightlifting, resistance band exercises, and bodyweight exercises in your fitness routine. Aim to work all major muscle groups at least twice a week. 3. Eat protein-rich foods. Protein has a higher thermic effect than carbohydrates and fats, meaning your body burns more calories digesting protein. Additionally, protein helps preserve muscle mass, which is crucial for maintaining a healthy metabolism. Action. Include protein-rich foods like lean meats, fish, eggs, dairy products, legumes, nuts, and seeds in your diet. Aim for a protein intake of 0.8 to 1.2 grams per kilogram of body weight. 4. Stay hydrated. Water is essential for many metabolic processes. Dehydration can slow down your metabolism. Drinking enough water can help keep your metabolism functioning optimally. Action. Drink at least 8 cups, 2 liters, of water per day. Increase your water intake if you're physically active or live in a hot climate. 5. Get enough sleep. Lack of sleep can negatively impact your metabolism and hormone levels. Aim for 7-9 hours of quality sleep per night to support metabolic health. Action. Establish a regular sleep schedule, create a relaxing bedtime routine, and ensure your sleep environment is conducive to rest. 6. Eat small, frequent meals. Eating small, frequent meals can help keep your metabolism active throughout the day. Avoid long periods without food, which can cause your metabolism to slow down. Action. Aim to eat every 3-4 hours. Include a balance of protein, healthy fats, and complex carbohydrates in each meal. 7. Manage stress. Chronic stress can lead to hormonal imbalances that negatively affect your metabolism. Finding ways to manage stress can help maintain a healthy metabolic rate. Action. Practice stress-reducing activities such as yoga, meditation, deep breathing exercises, or spending time in nature. Find what works best for you and make it a regular part of your routine. 8. Consider a balanced diet. A balanced diet that includes a variety of nutrients is essential for a healthy metabolism. Focus on whole, unprocessed foods and limit the intake of refined sugars and unhealthy fats. Action: fill your plate with a variety of colorful fruits and vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Avoid highly processed foods and sugary beverages. 9. Avoid crash diets. Severely restricting calories can cause your metabolism to slow down as your body tries to conserve energy. Instead, focus on making sustainable, healthy changes to your diet. Action: aim for a gradual weight loss of 1–2 pounds per week. Consult a nutritionist or dietitian for personalized advice. 10. Try metabolism-boosting foods and drinks. Certain foods and drinks can help boost your metabolism. Green tea, coffee, and spicy foods are known for their metabolism-boosting properties. Action: incorporate metabolism-boosting foods and drinks into your diet. For example, drink a cup of green tea or coffee in the morning, and add spices like cayenne pepper to your meals. Long-term strategies for maintaining a healthy metabolism. Maintaining a healthy metabolism requires long-term commitment and lifestyle changes. Here are some additional strategies to consider. Regular health checkups. Monitor your thyroid function and hormone levels with regular health checkups. Avoid prolonged sitting. Take breaks to stand, stretch, and move around if you have a sedentary job. Stay active throughout the day. Incorporate physical activity into your daily routine, such as taking the stairs, walking or biking to work, and doing household chores. Conclusion: fixing a slow metabolism is a multifaceted approach that involves lifestyle changes, diet modifications, and regular physical activity. By following the strategies outlined in this guide, you can boost your metabolism and improve your overall health. Remember, consistency is key. Start implementing these changes today and enjoy the long-term benefits of a healthy metabolism. Action: begin your journey to a faster metabolism today by incorporating one or two of these strategies into your routine. Track your progress and adjust as needed. Don't forget to share your success stories and tips with others who might benefit from this guide. Your health is in your hands. Take action now for a healthier future. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks.